Okay, so let's have a problem 4-15. So, ang tinatanong sa atin dun sa 4-15 ay yun daw estimated price na i-charge sa customer. Okay? So, sabi dun sa problem, the estimated machine hours na gagamitin para sa customer na to is 140. So, multiply mo yan dun sa overhead absorption rate or application rate per hour na 850. So, you will have the absorbed or applied overhead na 1,190. I-add mo lang yung given na direct materials at direct labor sa problem, you'll get the total estimated production cost na 15,100. Now, ang sabi, ang profit daw is 60% of the prime cost. So, that will be 60% of the sum of direct materials na 10,650 at direct labor na 3,260. So, the markup is 8,346. Isama mo yan dun sa estimated production cost, you'll have the estimated price of 23,446.